afternoon, guys, and welcome back to Miami, the Sunshine State. Yep, like you guys noticed, if you guys have been following me for a while now, yeah, we had a winter vacation up north in Utah, and it was fun. It was fun playing with the snow, and now we're back in Miami, and this is our first weekend out in the water. It's kind of windy today, that's why you see the boat ramp is kind of I guess empty, but we're still gonna go. We're gonna go ahead and spend the night here and have a little barbecue, hang out at the islands. The winter thing here in Miami. So let's go with the show.
All right, guys, so here we go. We're off to another adventure. And if you guys follow me on social media like Instagram or Facebook, you guys noticed I put this up on Friday. Now, because the weatherman said that the weekend was gonna be cloudy, cold, and rainy. But look at it, it's beautiful. I mean, it is cool because it's kind of windy, but it's not cold. But anyway, it doesn't matter. That's why I predict my own weather, and I just go outside in the morning, look up in the sky, and if it's pretty, I'm out on the water. So we're heading to one of my favorite islands, my second favorite island here in Miami, and it's Beercan.
All right, guys, so we made it on a windy day here too, Beercan Island. And you know how it is, I prefer to be here than at home watching TV. Still gonna be windy everywhere, right? So, yeah. And like you can notice, and you hear it, the generator's on because the lazy people are sleeping. But it's okay. Like I said, I prefer to sleep and hang out here than at home. So, and actually it's like 80 degrees today. So, I don't know. So there's a few people here having some fun, so we're not the only crazy ones. Alright, so let me ask you guys something. What do you guys prefer? A backyard barbecue or a waterfront barbecue? I think I'll go with the waterfront barbecue, right? What do you think? All right, so what are we having today? Nope, no sausages. That's for later. So we got a new chef on la casa because everybody else is doing what? What do you think everybody else is doing? Black, let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. You see what I mean? They're gonna do that at home, so might as well just do it here, right? So it's all good. We got Chef Joelito en la casa. You gotta let it defrost a little more. So we're here, it's pretty cool. People are showing up, having afternoon fun here at that Beercan. And they're having fun over there. Got a little music going, playing games on the sand. It's all good in the hood. So it's I don't know, lunch or barbecue, whatever it is. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Ta-da! No, hamburgers, and it's on fire. All right, this is what happens when you forget your spatula at home. You get a giant spoon.
Oh, actually works good.
As long as it does the job, it's okay. Oh, what is it? Sausages are for later. Go. Fresco's at it again. Let me see that. That yellow jack. Yep. It's pretty nice. Little afternoon fishing at the island, man. At the islands. Like I say, better here than home, right? Even Yuli wanted to fish.
And guess who came to visit? Our old friends, the raccoons. Now, guys, be careful with the raccoons because, yes, naturally they do carry rabies, but only if they bite you or in their saliva. So, if you're feeding them or touching them, make sure you wash your hands with soap. And also, stay clear because they could get angry at each other. So, if you decide to feed them or be near them, make sure to be careful.
We're outside enjoying the island. Look what they're doing. It's a girl thing, right? Is it a girl thing? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Doing what is that? Acrylics? Gel. Well, Fresco Channel nail salon making gels, and they got the little machine right there. What's up? We came up quick. I guess better do it here than home, right?
No.
Just whatever you do, do not let that what is that?
Spill. Pure acetone.
Acetone touch the fiberglass.
They're two different types.
Okay. Yeah. So we're here still enjoying the afternoon here at the island, man. At the island. And like you see, we got more overnight people and a beautiful sunset. Oh, how pretty.
So we got to enjoy this beautiful sunset on a Saturday afternoon here, chillaxing on the boat, just watching time go by. And how lucky can you get? Watch a beautiful sunset with a little bonfire that we got to enjoy. But don't go away, stay tuned because we stayed overnight on Beercan, but in the morning we headed over to the sandbar to see what everybody was up to.